if you are searching in Wicker Park, you're looking around, you want to go to some open houses this weekend, hopefully you get some good weather, right? Check this out. This is House Hounder. I needed something to bridge the gap, well, with myself. Right? I don't know if there's a gap, but there was some disconnect really with the tools that I've had. So we'll be out at a showing. We're looking at a property. Now, I've reviewed all these properties. I've vetted them pretty hard. I know a lot about them, but sometimes on the spot, like anyone else, I'm just like, oh, I just can't recall these details. So somebody say, oh, yeah, how much is this for? And I'm like, oh, is this $495 or, I don't know. So it's things like that, little details that you want to have on hand. So it was that. Plus, it was the logistics, like, okay, what's the next one? And you're typing it in. Oh my goodness, it's crazy. So, and one time actually, a client he went to the wrong address. So I'm like, look, how do I make it simple for all of us? So this is kind of what I came up with. All right. So househounder.com. Okay, it'll take you to this page. Now this is going to change, and then I'm going to evolve the whole site. But for now, you have these 13 properties, I believe. I put them all there. And you can click on a button. It'll take you to that Real Scout page. So we were looking at Real Scout. Here it is. This is how the properties look. Okay, so it takes you there. We can view in all of these. Anyway, you can see those there, as you would expect. And all the property details. And then, you know what? I'm right here. You're not going to get a million different agents popping up everywhere, ads and all this stuff. No ads, and just you and the properties. Okay, straight data. Okay, same site that I use, really. All right. So anyway, hopefully that has been helpful. Yeah, go hound some properties this weekend and wear some sunscreen. It might be sunny.